How does post-conviction relief lead to a motion to remand in immigration? Imagine a family worried about their loved one facing deportation because of a past criminal conviction. Sometimes, that conviction might not be as solid as it seems. That's where post-conviction relief comes into play. It's a legal process that allows someone to ask a court to review and possibly change their conviction or sentence after they have been found guilty. This can happen if there was a mistake, unfairness, or legal error during the original case. For families with members in the United States who are unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, understanding this process can be a game changer. When someone files for post-conviction relief, they are asking the criminal court to fix a problem with their conviction. Common reasons include not being told about how a plea deal could affect their immigration status, receiving bad legal advice, or other mistakes made during the trial. If the court agrees, it might vacate the conviction, which means it erases or nullifies it. This is different from sealing the record, which usually doesn't help with immigration issues. If the conviction is vacated because of a legal mistake, immigration authorities are supposed to treat the person as if they were never convicted. Now, how does this connect to a motion to remand in immigration court? A motion to remand asks the immigration judge to send the case back to the Board of Immigration Appeals or pause proceedings. This usually happens when new evidence or legal developments come up that could change the case outcome. If a person's criminal conviction is vacated through post-conviction relief, that's new evidence. It shows the original reason for deportation or denial of a green card no longer applies. The family's lawyer can then file a motion to remand, asking the immigration judge to reconsider the case based on the new, better information. For families with loved ones in the unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens category, this can open doors. If the conviction is properly vacated, it might remove the barrier to getting a green card or stopping deportation. But it's not automatic. It takes careful legal work, often with both a criminal lawyer and an immigration lawyer working together. Families should seek experienced legal help to make sure they do everything right, because mistakes can cost them a chance to stay together. Here's how it might work in real life. A family member is in removal proceedings because of a past conviction. The family hires a lawyer who reviews the criminal case and finds that the person was not properly advised about how the conviction could affect their immigration status. The lawyer files for post-conviction relief in criminal court. If the court vacates the conviction, the immigration lawyer then files a motion to remand with the immigration court. They explain that the reason for deportation no longer exists because the conviction was erased. The immigration judge may then decide to pause the case or send it back for further review. It's important to remember that not all post-conviction relief helps with immigration. Only vacatures based on legal mistakes or errors count. Also, timing is key. These motions often need to be filed quickly after the conviction is vacated. For families, this process can seem complicated and stressful, but it's a powerful way to fix a criminal record that's causing immigration problems. Working with experienced attorneys who understand both criminal and immigration law can make a big difference. In the end, understanding how post-conviction relief can lead to a motion to remand gives families hope. It's a way to correct past mistakes and keep families together in the United States. Always talk to a qualified lawyer to explore your options and make sure you're taking the right steps to protect your loved ones.